welcome back to my channel. It's Abisha here, and today we're going to be making some poached eggs. It's super easy, so let's move on with the video. For this recipe, take an egg and crack it into a bowl. Now, take a pan with some water and bring it to a simmer. For seasoning, add in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Stir it in one direction to make a vertex. This will help your egg to move and develop the poached egg shape. Now, add in your egg and allow it to cook for 3 minutes. After your egg is opaque, remove it from your pan. Garnish your poached eggs with some pepper and serve it with some toast. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Bye!